Hey, what's up? It's Dominique. Welcome to today's video. Today, I'm going to be creating a makeup look using the best drugstore makeup products. Everything that I have in front of me is top tier. These products are just so good. And the best thing about it is that they are affordable. So baby, if you're broke like me and looking to get some good makeup products, this video is for you. But before we get into it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and of course, as always, don't forget to subscribe so that we can become besties. Alright, let's get into the video. So the way that I begin every makeup look is by doing my eyeshadow first. This is simply because I hate when eyeshadow fallout gets on my foundation. So I'm gonna start by doing my eyeshadow off camera and then I'll be back once it's done. Because majority of these products that I have right here are for the face. Alright, so I did my eyeshadow and this is a look that we have so far. And the first product that I am absolutely obsessed with is this Maybelline Sky High Mascara. Ooh, baby, this is so good. This has to be my #1 all-time favorite mascara ever. I absolutely love the brush on this mascara. I love that it's thin because it really helps to separate and lengthen the lashes. It takes a lot for me to be obsessed with a mascara because I feel like most mascaras just do the same thing. But this mascara, you can seriously tell the difference when I use this versus a different mascara. This truly lengthens my lashes. If you want a mascara that's 100% going to lengthen your lashes, maybe not 100%, maybe like 90%. Don't come for me. I love that it stays on all day and it does not flake, it does not transfer to my lid. It's truly just an amazing mascara. I can just layer and layer and layer this mascara and it never gets clumpy. I truly love that this mascara does not transfer and it does not go anywhere throughout the day. If I ever needed to wear a waterproof mascara, I would definitely get this one in the waterproof formula because this one already stays all day. So if that's the case, then I already know that the waterproof one is going to be equally as amazing. This product is one that I will forever be repurchasing. But these lashes by Kiss are my new favorite lashes. You get 4 pairs of lashes in this pack and it's called the Full and Fluffy Volume Lashes. And as someone who likes thick lashes, these are so pretty but not overpowering at all. I think it adds the perfect amount of drama. I wear these in almost every video that I've posted so far. The lash band is thin, they're easy to apply, they're comfortable. I just love them. These are some good lashes. Look at how cute they are. Alright, so now I'm gonna start with the base and I'm gonna prep my skin with this e.l.f. Holy Hydration Daily Moisturizer. I love the pump on this moisturizer. It's so easy to apply and this moisturizer is great for underneath foundation. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. It's a perfect in-between moisturizer. And the best part is that when it starts to dry down, it gets tacky. So it makes it a great product to use underneath foundation. Next, I'm gonna prime my skin using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer with Niacinamide. I like this because this has a pump as well, and the niacinamide in this product helps to plump your skin, hydrate your skin, and reduce the appearance of pores over time. And I'm really just gonna focus this on my cheeks and my T-zone because I don't want to add too much to my face since I'm gonna add foundation after this. The great thing about this is that I'm hydrated, I'm glowing, and my skin is tacky, so it's really gonna adhere to the foundation that I put on top. And this helps my makeup last all day long without budging. I mean, look at how my skin is just glowing right now. I look like a glazed donut. The next product I'm so excited about because I truly love this one. This is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Foundation. I'm sorry you can't specifically find this at a Walgreens or a Target unless there's an Ulta inside your Target. But you can get this at Ulta and it's still affordable. This foundation is one of my all-time favorites. This foundation truly looks beautiful on the skin. It is hyaluronic acid in the formula, so it's really hydrating. It adds the most perfect glow to your skin. It feels so comfortable on. It does not get cakey or crusty throughout the day either. I just love how it looks on the skin. It's a medium coverage, so it's not too heavy. This is one of those products that I've been loving for years. I mean, do you see how natural and beautiful this foundation looks on the skin? Yep. She's one of my favorites for sure, and I will continue to forever love this foundation. You are so beautiful. Alright, time for concealer, and this is another product that is too good. This is the Makeup Forever IRL Filter Finish Concealer. It has a doe foot applicator and it's super slanted, so it really gets straight underneath that eye perfectly. This product I randomly found one day when I went to Ulta, and the packaging really called my name because I think it's so cute. I mean, for Makeup Revolution, they did that. And it's a packaging that single-handedly made me try this. And it turns out that it's a beautiful concealer. When I apply my concealers, I always start by blending out the bottom first, and I bring it up to my temple, and then whatever's left over, I bring up to my lower lash line. This helps to prevent your concealer from creasing because you're putting the least amount of product closest to the creases that you have underneath your eye, which is like right underneath your lash line. But this concealer truly just blends out like a dream. It looks beautiful on the skin as well. It has a natural finish. It's not glowy and it's not matte. The shade I have in this is C3. At the end of the day, it will still look beautiful. And that's what makes it one of my favorite concealers at the drugstore. Do you see how gorgeous my skin looks right now? Definitely worth the try. Next up, I have another product from e.l.f. This is their Putty Blush. This is the pink shade. Super bright, but you're gonna see how beautiful it looks on the skin. I'm gonna take a brush and I'm gonna dip it right into the blush, and then I'm just gonna tap it onto my skin going up to my temples. And you can see how it just adds the most beautiful and natural wash of color to your cheeks. It blends out super easily and it looks great on the skin. It has this natural glow to the formula, so when you apply it to the skin, it looks so natural and beautiful. It's not cakey or crusty or hard to work with at all. And I mean, e.l.f. is one of my favorite drugstore brands because they kill it with most of their products almost every time. If you're looking for a real cheap cream blush that works, try the e.l.f. Putty Blushes. This is going to look beautiful on your skin, and they're super pigmented and easy to work with. Now I'm gonna set my face, and I'm super extra when it comes to my powders, okay? So I'm going to apply two. The first powder I'm gonna use is a Beauty Bakerie Pinch of Flour Translucent Powder. I found this product at Target, and it's a really good powder. I'm gonna set under my eyes and my T-zone with this only, and it makes my skin look airbrushed, which is why I use it under my eyes. This is a really nice powder for sure. I definitely recommend this one. It doesn't get cakey or crusty, and I feel like it would do a really good job controlling oil as well. Next, I'm gonna add this e.l.f. Glow Setting Powder. So in this, I have the shade Light, and I'm gonna use this powder to set the rest of my face. I'm gonna use a really big fluffy blending brush for this. I'm gonna tap off the excess while it gets everywhere, and then I'm gonna lightly just set where I didn't before. And I like this powder because it doesn't take away the natural glow that your foundation has underneath. You can see on my cheeks how it just looks natural, radiant, and beautiful. And it's not crusty or cakey either. I really like this powder because it's also thin and lightweight. This next product you already might know and love, but in the chance that you don't know about this product, let me introduce it to you because she is a beautiful bronzer. This is a Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and baby, I'm obsessed with this one. I have gone through multiple of these. I love this bronzer so much, and it's affordable, and you can basically find it anywhere. Walgreens, CVS, Target, Walmart. She is accessible. The reason why I love this is the blendability of this product. It blends so nicely and it looks great on the skin. The shade is also beautiful as well. Ooh, and it smells just like coconuts, like you are on vacation when you use this product. The scent is definitely iconic to me, and it truly just elevates my makeup in the most beautiful way. And I know I can count on her to make me look beautiful every single time. And I mean, do you see the pattern in this powder? It's so nice, it's so fun, I love it. This product just makes me want to go on a vacation. This is such a good product, and I'm gonna continue to buy it for as long as I live. Physicians Formula, you did that. When I was putting on my powder, I spilled it all over my shirt, and I feel like you can see the powder on it because it's black. And the powder is white. Next, I'm gonna apply this Milani blush in the shade Wild Rose. The packaging is so cute because the powder is shaped like a rose. Plus, the shade is such a nice soft pink, so it's not gonna be too crazy to layer over this e.l.f. Putty Blush that we already applied. And I like it because it's pigmented and it blends out super nicely. Plus, it's matte and it looks beautiful on the skin as well. Look at how pretty this shade is on the skin. You can find this blush basically anywhere as well. Target, Walmart, Walgreens, Walgreens, wherever you want to shop at. And she's also affordable, so we love that. Milani also has some really nice affordable products as well, and this is no exception because I really like this blush. Definitely recommend. When I was working at Sephora the other day, my manager came up to me and was like, hey, can you assist with the shade match? And I was like, yeah, no problem. Since I shade match like 800 million times a day every shift. So she brings the client over and she's like, yeah, this client needs help shade matching her horse. And I'm like, yeah, haha, funny, thinking it's a joke. And the client starts to pull up a picture on her phone. So I'm not thinking anything of it, because why would I? Until she turns her phone around and it's a literal picture of a live horse. A big brown horse. You know, I had to remain calm and professional. So I was like, oh, yeah, sure, we can shade match your horse who's not even in the store through a picture. And the client was like, yeah, there's just a little bit of darkness around the eyeball. There's no hair there, don't worry, it's just skin, so you can put foundation right over it and hopefully it will look good. And I was like, all right, well, we're gonna need something full coverage to cover up this horse's skin that's already the shade of my shirt around the eye. So I recommended the NARS Soft Matte, and I gave her 2 heaping samples of this foundation, and I didn't ask any questions. I mean, I assumed that these girls are extreme horse girls, which is totally fine. I love me some horses, but truly this was a first for me. I've never had to shade match a horse before, and it was none of my business what they wanted to do with the foundation and why they were covering up this horse's black eye. The world may never know. But I hope that the foundation worked, and I hope that they loved it, and hopefully I got that shade right. But you never know because it was just a picture of a horse. So yeah, might as well add, can shade match a horse to my resume, because now I'm skilled in the art of shade matching a horse. Love that for me. Perks of working at one of the busiest Sephoras in the area. You see all types of things. Next up, let's do some brows. I'm gonna use one of my favorite brow pencils that you can find at the drugstore. This is the Maybelline Brow Express. It works beautifully, it's pigmented, it stays on all day long, and it's really easy to use. The shades are also really nice as well. This is the shade Soft Brown, and it's a super thin pencil, so it's great for adding some tiny hairs in your brow and filling them in, especially if you have big brows like me. You know, I don't want to go too fluffy with my brows, but sometimes it just be like that because they are really big. I'm just gonna fill in my brows with this really fast by doing some little flicks of the wrist in my brow. And you can see how the tip does not break, because I hate when my brow pencil's tips break. That's a big no for me. Maybe I push too hard on the product, and that's a personal problem that I need to deal with. But this one is working out for me, which makes it a great drugstore brow pencil. And I mean, it's just a major slay. The spoolie on the end is also great as well. So now I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Brow Lift, and it's basically the dupe for the Anastasia Brow Freeze. And I'm going to use this to help set my brows in place with a spoolie. And I only need a little bit of this. Trust me, a little goes a long way. This helps lift my brow hairs into place, and it's really strong. So it's gonna keep my brows looking like this all day long. If you want that soap brow look, this is going to help you achieve that. And for being a drugstore product, this is amazing. To apply this, I just dipped my spoolie directly into the gel, took some off on the back of my hand so I don't have too much, and then just lifted my brows straight into place. It doesn't leave any white flakes in your brows at all, and it holds all day. Anyway, I'm gonna apply some highlighter to my cheeks, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighters. This is in the shade 250, and it's this beautiful light gold shade. This highlighter is absolutely outstanding. It's not chunky, it's not glittery. It's the most beautiful glow from within. And baby, you can build her up to be blinding. If you want to, of course. Or you can use it a little bit to get a natural look. This was 1 swipe on this cheek, and this is about 3. Truly one of my most favorite drugstore highlighters. I definitely recommend this one, and I'm also going to apply it to my inner corner of my eye to complete the look and tie it all together. I have no idea what the neighbors upstairs are doing, but I feel like I can hear them making some type of noise, and I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but if it is, isn't that so annoying? I can't. That's the one downside of living in an apartment, is hearing your neighbors. One time my neighbor's right there, and clearly I'm in my bedroom, so my neighbor's right there, woke me up one time at 3 in the morning, blasting Little Baby. at 3 in the morning. I was like, am I really being woken up by a little baby right now, blasting through my walls? And the fact is, I knew exactly what song it was. I could literally hear the lyrics. It was so loud at 3:30 in the morning. They haven't played that loud of music in a long time. That was just truly crazy. But yeah, living in an apartment sucks, so comment down below if you can relate. And if you can, I'm sorry, I feel you, and we will get through this together. This is my favorite hack to clean up any messy bronzer. Just apply some powder in a straight line coming from the back of your cheek up to your nose. Leave it on for a few seconds, dust it off. Now you see that my bronzer is now clean and there's a sharp line, and that technique is called baking, and it truly just completes the look. Alright, we are almost done. It's time for the lip combo. I'm going to be using this NYX Retractable Lip Liner in the shade Sand Beige. It twists up right here so you don't have to sharpen it. If you want a lip pencil from the drugstore, use the NYX lip pencils. They are fabulous. And I'm so serious. They're affordable, and every time I'm in Target or something, I pick up a new one of these because it is one of the greatest lip liners. They're just so creamy. Oh my god. It's like one swipe full pigment, and they last all day. I'm obsessed with these. And I mean, the shade, gorgeous. You can get such a clean line with this too, which is why I love it. It makes doing your lip liner so easy. Do you just see how beautiful this lip liner is? I definitely think you should check these out. I recommend them with my entire heart. This is a good lip liner. So I really love NYX's lip products in general. So for the liquid lipstick, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Lip Lingerie. It's basically just a liquid lipstick, and it feels beautiful on the lips, and I love it. They're pigmented, they smell good. The shades are beautiful. I think NYX has beautiful lip shades in general, and I just love it. So I'm gonna apply this straight to my lips over the lip liner, and then I'm going to smash my lips together to help blend it out. And once this product dries down, it's completely transfer proof, so it's long lasting and it's going to stay on for a really long time. You can eat and drink with it, and it should last through that. And I'm going to top off the lip combo with a tiny bit of this Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the center. I love these glosses so much. They feel beautiful on the lips. They are a dupe to the Fenty Beauty glosses. They're shiny, they're not sticky at all. They smell and taste wonderful. Definitely a 10 out of 10 lip gloss, for sure. I've kept these in my purse because that's how you know I love them so much. I'm just going to apply a baby amount to the center, and then I'm going to tap it out to help blend. And if you apply a tiny bit of gloss to the center of your lips when you're wearing a liquid lipstick, it helps transform your lip to something extremely comfortable, and it still helps keep it on longer. It's gonna stay and look like this for a long time because I only have a tiny bit of gloss on. Alright, and here is the final look using the best makeup products from the drugstore. Did they slay my face or what? When I'm looking in the viewfinder, all I see is this highlighter, and I love that. I think it looks so good on my cheeks right now. Not all makeup has to be super bougie and expensive to work, because these products made me feel beautiful and they were all super affordable. That is the best part. So shout out to you, drugstore makeup. Keep doing your thing out there. I had so much fun creating this look with you today, so thanks so much for hanging out with me. I will be back next week with a brand new video, so make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below, and of course, as always, don't forget to subscribe so that we can become besties. And also, bonus points if you hit that little bell icon down below so you're notified next time I upload my next video next week. There's nothing I love more than chatting and playing with makeup. It truly warms my heart and fills it with joy. And that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.